Hello everyone, so today I'm here washing my bird bath. I came home, it is a hot day, and even though I'm wearing a hoodie, yes, it's a hot day, the birds came, they bathe and use up most of the water, so washing it here, getting it clean. Wash it some more. This brush here, I bought it on Amazon. The bristles are kind of soft, but it's durable. Paid like about $7 or $8 for it. I bought this one at Lowe's, and then I have this other one here. This is a newer one. I decided to get another one because I don't think that one is enough for all the birds. I bought this one at Lowe's also, but this one is some kind of hard plastic. It's not as deep as that one, but it should work. It's a beautiful flower. It does hold quite a bit of water. And as you can see, I have my sweet dough. This is no melt peanut butter sweet dough. And this one here it's a mixture of peanuts, millet, and milo seeds, and also sunflower seeds. And this one here is sweet dough as well. Yeah, so that's it. Me doing my thing here with my birds. Okay, take care.